Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy chili paneer. Start by pressing paneer lightly and chopping it into cubes, then whisk together cornstarch and water for a light batter. Sauté aromatics until fragrant, add bell peppers, and toss in the paneer to coat well. Simmer the gravy until it thickens and adjust seasoning with soy and vinegar for a balanced sweet and spicy finish. Gather 250 grams of paneer, 2 bell peppers, 1 large onion, garlic, and ginger to start. Measure 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and a tablespoon of sugar for the sauce base. Mix 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 3 tablespoons water to thicken the gravy evenly. Have chili flakes or green chilies ready to control heat and a splash of sesame oil to finish for a glossy, flavorful result. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with cooking at home to save and enjoy more. Consider it a tasty life hack. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil and shallow fry paneer cubes until golden on the edges while keeping them tender inside. In the same pan, sauté garlic, ginger, and onions until fragrant, then toss in bell peppers and your soy, vinegar, and sugar mix. Return paneer to the pan, pour in the cornstarch slurry, and simmer until the gravy thickly coats every piece. Finish with a splash of sesame oil and chopped scallions for freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.